I'm making out with this big celebrity in his car. Disclaimer, this is not my story time. Let me explain how we got in his car. We were at the bar flirting, and then he brought up acting. He said that if I wanted to become an actress, he would be happy to help me. And he said that he actually was staying at a hotel room nearby. That he had a script he wanted me to read because he thought I'd be great for the leading lady. I was floored. I didn't think he was going to be moving that quick. I hesitated, but eventually said yes. Once we're in the hotel room, he orders champagne and we start watching a movie. Then he pulls out his laptop and tells me to read the script. As I'm reading the script, we start kissing and doing other things you guys already know. After we finished, I asked him if I could continue reading the script. Then he said, "No, I'm good." My heart sank and I thought I was going to poo my pants. I said, "What do you mean you're good?" Then he said he couldn't cast someone who would just sleep with someone on the first date. Then he just sat on his laptop and ignored me. Of course I left. I was holding back my tears because I was not going to let him see me cry. Once I got home, I cried and I decided to block him from all my social media. As I was about to block him from my phone, he messages me and tells me to go back to the hotel. This was 2 hours after he told me to leave. But of course, I actually went back to the hotel. I go up to his room and there he is waiting for me. Part 3 is up.